I'm very excited to bring you the daily video with Mrs. Knight. Do you know what today is? It's May, it's Monday, and it's the 4th. It's Star Wars Day! So we are going to have some Star Wars fun. First, we're going to play a game called Find the Droid. Then we're going to do some Chewbacca breathing. Then a dark side writing prompt. And I'm going to show you how to draw Baby Yoda. For this game, you're going to help C-3PO and R2-D2 find all the BB-8 droids. Remember, you got to act fast. Ready? Find them. Okay, how many did you find? Let's see if you got them all. We'll take another look. Did you find any more? I'll show you where they all are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I count 9 BB-8s. Let's take a moment to find our calm and do some Chewbacca breathing. So you first take in a deep breath, you hold it for 4, and then when you breathe out, you make a Wookiee sound. So let's try it. We're going to breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out. Let's try it again. Breathe in, and one more. Breathe in, and it's time for a writing prompt. Our question is, which character in the Star Wars universe do you think has shown the most bravery, and why? You can write 1 to 3 sentences, and you can even draw a picture. I can't wait to see your answer. Okay, now we get to draw Baby Yoda. You can pause the video if you need more time on the steps. So, number 1, draw a curved head shape, like this. Then you draw 2 symmetrical ears. You add ear lines, and you put 4 dots to plan where the eyes will be. You can connect the 4 dots to make the eyes. Then you add circles for the highlights and the eye lines. And then you finish the face with a mouth, nose, and eyebrows. And I'm going to make mine a grumpy Baby Yoda. Then you draw the collar and the robe, and you can add arms and the horizon line. Then you get to color it. Here's mine. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you had fun, and I'll include the link to the drawing tutorial in the bio below, as well as other links to fun Star Wars activities. From my family and I, may the Force be with you.